Hello, friends. Welcome to another practice question of arithmetic progressions. This is the 24th question in the series. I will strongly urge you to go back and watch the previous 23 as well. The link to the entire playlist is down there in the description. Let's start solving this one. This question was asked in CBSE final examination for class 2009. The question says the sum of the first six terms of an arithmetic progression is 42. Okay, this is the first condition. And the second condition is the ratio of its 10th term and its 30th term is 1 is to 3. Calculate the first and the 13th term of the AP. Now remember, this question is testing your ability to convert basic English language to equations. If you cannot convert English language to equations, you are going to face a lot of problems. Okay, these kind of questions cannot be solved if you are unable to convert English language to equations. The second skill that you need is you need to know how to solve linear equations in two variables. Okay, linear equations, because when we are going to solve this question, you are actually going to get two equations in terms of A and D, and then you have to solve those two equations to get the actual solution to the question. So I will strongly urge you to go back and brush up your concepts on linear equations. I will put the link to the linear equations playlist here for your reference. Without linear equations, algebra of further classes beyond class 10th is going to be very, very difficult. Okay, so learn linear equations in two variables very well. Okay, now let's start solving this one. So it says the sum of the first six terms of an arithmetic progression is 42. This is our condition one. So Sn is equal to n upon 2 multiplied by 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 42. If I solve this further, what I get is first six terms. So n is equal to 6. I put n is equal to 6. 6 by 2 multiplied by 2a, I don't know a, which I have to find, plus 6 minus 1 is 5, and d, I don't know d also I have to find, is equal to 42. And this simple calculation becomes 2 by 3, and 3 here goes by 40. So the first condition or the first equation I have is 2a plus 5d is equal to 14. Okay, this is my equation 1. Now remember, this is what I was talking about here, that you have to know how to solve linear equations. Okay, and we arrived at this via condition 1. Now look at what is our condition 2. Okay, what is our condition 2? Condition 2 says the ratio of the 10th term to its 30th term is 1 is to 3. Matlab, if I divide the 10th term by the 30th term, I'll get 1 upon 3. Now what is the 10th term? A plus 9d, and the 30th term is a plus 29d. Okay, so this is what I have. Now let me solve this by cross multiplication. So I have 3a plus 27d is equal to a plus 29d, and this implies if I take a on the LHS and d on the RHS, I will get 3a minus a is equal to 29d minus 27d, or 2a equal to 2d, or a equal to d. So a is equal to d. This is my second equation. Now I have to solve equation 1 and 2, get the value of a and d, and then find the first and the 13th term of the AP. So I know from equation 1 that 2a plus 5d is equal to 14, right? And a is equal to d. So let me replace d with a. So I get 2a plus 5a is equal to 14, which implies 7a is equal to 14, which implies a is equal to 2. And if a is equal to 2, I know a is equal to d, which is equal to 2. Okay. So I've got the value of A and I've got the value of D, and now the question should be easy. It is asking me what is the first term. So first term is A. First term I have right with me. First term is equal to A is equal to 2. And it is asking me what is the 13th term. Okay, 13th term. 13th term will be equal to A plus 12D. and this is 2 plus 12 into 2, which is equal to 26. And this is the solution to the entire question. I hope you found the solution useful. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe. And in case you want me to solve any other questions for you, do shoot your questions at the WhatsApp number mentioned in the description. Till then, keep working hard, keep practicing hard. Cheers, and God bless.